Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for my makeup and outfit, and I hope you enjoy. To start off, I'm going to prime my face to make sure that my face is ready for the beautiful makeup I'm going to be showing you guys today. And I've already done one of my eyebrows, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that by doing the second one with you. And I'm so excited for it, so I thought it'd be really good to do this video for you guys today and show you guys how I did my makeup and how I'm going to do my outfit for Eid. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I've been so excited to do this video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comment down below what you think about the whole look. Stay till the end, because the end, that's when I'm going to be showing you guys how my beautiful dress looks like. To make my eyebrow look perfect, I'm going to be using the Born This Way concealer just to go around my eyebrow and shape it exactly how I would like it to be. I like using this type of brush for my eyebrow because it just gives you more control. It helps you to line the concealer really nice and neat underneath your eyebrow. So I would highly recommend using this type of brush. And then making sure that I go in by blending in my concealer, making sure it's actually matching with my skin tone so it doesn't look too light. And then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This concealer is really nice. It's a chestnut shade, so it's kind of nearly the same color as my skin tone itself. This really helps if you use a darker shade on top of your eyebrow, so you can actually blend it in more better and it looks more natural. The second step of the makeup is doing my eyeshadow. As you can see, I've already done one of them and I'm going to use the other one to show you how I did it. First thing first, I'm going to use the eyeshadow primer just to make my eyeshadow look even more brighter than what it could have been if I didn't use it. Eyeshadow primer is absolutely lovely, and I'm going to be using the Nikki Tutorial eyeshadow palette for this look. It's highly pigmented, which I absolutely love, and it's just gonna make my yellow eyeshadow look even more brighter in color. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. To do the cut crease, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro concealer. This one is the cocoa shade, so I'm going to be using this just to do my cut crease. And as you can see, I've looked up so I can line up my cut crease based on when I look up what line I need to actually have. And then I'll pull my eyelid so I can actually do the wing of my cut crease. This makes it so much easier. Please do this because it makes it so much easier to actually do your wing. And then I'm going to go in with my setting powder just to set the new cut crease that I've done. Just make it look more nice and neat. And obviously when I've actually do my eyeliner, it doesn't smudge off. And I'm just going to use a basic eyeliner really just to go around my cut crease. As you can see, literally just going around exactly how I did my cut crease, using the eyeliner to actually shape how I want to design the shape of my eyeliner. Absolutely love this look because it's unique and it just makes your whole outfit stand out. It makes everything just look beautiful. After doing my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in by doing my concealer. So first thing first, I literally just use the concealer to just form the dark spots on my face, blend that in, and then use my foundation after. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation for this look. I absolutely love this foundation because it matches very well with my skin and it just makes it look so nice and glowy. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer just to cover up my dark eye circles. This is a really nice technique to do for your concealer because it just makes you look like you have a little facelift as well. And now I'm going to go in with my translucent powder, and I'm just going to use as little as possible because I don't want to bake my face. I just want to settle all the foundation and the concealer in as much as possible, just to make it look all nice and neat and clean, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to contour my nose just to bring the whole look together. I love contouring my nose. This just literally makes everything look so nice and perfect together. So I've already highlighted my eyes, and I'm going to go in with the bronzer just to contour my cheekbone even more, so I can literally give it a high definition and make my cheekbone look big and nice. And I'm also going to do that around my nose just to make it look absolutely nice and bring the whole look together. If you watched one of my previous videos, you know that using orange blush is one of my favorite things to do. It just makes my whole look beautiful. I've already lined my lips, and I'm just going to use NYX lipstick, a nude one, just to bring the whole look together as well. So for the next few minutes, I'm just going to finish off my makeup by doing the finished touches, as you can see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and Eid Mubarak in advance.